Matthew, look what, I don't know why I did that. Guess which one, guess what number that was. Number 11. Kind of cold. Kind of rainy. It's so much fun. What's that look for?
What? Just listening to the commentary.
Yeah? What kind of commentary? The colorful?
Cool.
It is cool. Isn't it cool?
Inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
And this is the progress of the Paradise Pier on a rainy day that's going to be turning into Pixar Pier. A lot of scaffolding, a lot of work being done. Oh wait, they're taking a break, but who wants to work in the rain? I don't. The Golden Zephyr works in the rain, but not in the wind, people. Just so you know. It is raining. I look ridiculous. I don't care. I'm having fun. I love Perry, I love Stitch, and I love Tigger. That's just me. If you can list your 3 favorite Disney, I want to know who your 3 favorite Disney characters are down below that reflects who you are, if you will. But it is raining, it is slightly chilly, and when it rains out here, it's usually cold, not usually warm like in Orlando, so that's why I've got the scarf, the jacket, and my Perry the Platypus hat. So, he's not an angry bird, he's a Perry the Platypus, and I found Perry, so it's all good, and I don't care, because I'm about being me. That's what you should be. Don't be afraid, and don't be ashamed for being yourself. So, anyways, it's raining. If there's water that gets on the lens, I apologize. But right now, this is what's going on with Paradise Pier. I've never heard, by the way, I've never heard this rendition of California Dreamin'. And that is to be, I don't remember what they said it was gonna be, but no more Ariel's Grotto. It was Wolfgang Puck's before that. So this is like Paradise Pier 3.0 at this point. So it's okay. Change is constant. If we don't have change, how can we inspire the futures of the world to do better and be better? So we always have to constantly change and spark that figment of imagination. So this is a good thing, you guys. And it's bringing in, it's making it more Disney, Pixar related, you know? They had King Triton's Carousel and Toy Story Midway Mania, but really everything else wasn't themed Disney except for maybe the Fun Wheel as well. So, you know, it is what it is. It's a good thing. More walls. The good news is there's no wait for the Cove Bar. Bad news is there's no more Cove Bar. Merida.
So I'm assuming that there's going to be blasting Pixar music through here.
Would make sense to me. I can't wait to hear what the takeoff music is going to be on the Incredicoaster. My guess is correct. Oh, Wally. I think we're going to go to Midway Mania. Oh, the Incredicoaster tunnel is turning black from blue.